Hi, I'm Nakia and I'm with Divine Elements of Design and the Decorator's Voice. On this channel, I share home decor ideas, organizational tips, and planning and productivity strategies. On this particular video, we're going to do an unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton GM agenda. If you're not into planners, agendas, paper planning, and organization, this may be a boring video for you. However, if you do like those things, we're going to go ahead and unbox this video and also look at the planner items that I've purchased during this haul. So, if you are new to this channel, please give this channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Let's jump into this new agenda. Okay, so let's get started. This is the box it came in. I'm so excited. This is my very first Louis Vuitton planner, or actually Louis Vuitton anything. So the only thing I did was put a little sticky down here just to cover up my identity or address. But other than that, we're getting ready to just jump into this. Now, I know an LV planner is probably, you know, it's a luxury thing. So it's not necessary something that, you know, I have to have, but this is something I want. So I open up the brown box and what I see inside is this beautiful orange. Okay. So let's see, we have this letter. It says, "Because you are you, Nakia, Kelsey, and Bailey 2020. So what I did with this planner was I was actually looking for a pre-loved planner, but a lot of the pre-loved planners had monograms in them, and then the monograms was someone else's name, and the price of the pre-loved planners or used planners, they were pretty much almost exactly what the new one was. So I said, you know what, instead of buying one that was used by someone else, pre-loved, I may as well spend the same amount of money and get one that will be new to me. And then I can have the box, I can have this experience, and so forth. So anyway, so I have this little, let's see what all this is. I guess this is the receipt. Now, one thing about these planners, they maintain their value. So actually, when I purchased this one, because the agendas stay out of stock like a majority of the time, it's really hard to get a new one. So when I purchased this, someone was actually in my inbox like a few days later wanting to buy it from me because that's just how much they stay in stock, stay out of stock. Okay, so this is just, you know, the typical paperwork. I guess the warranty or the guarantee or whatever. The receipt and all that kind of stuff. So this is definitely something that you need to keep. I'm definitely going to keep this because, like I said, these planners maintain their value. So if I did want to sell it in the future, even with my monogram on it, there's still people that would want it. Okay, so enough about that. So this box actually has the little flip part, and I'm definitely going to be using this box in the decor of my office because, if you can recall, my office is orange and white and pink. So I will be using this box. Okay, I'll set that beautiful box to the side. All right, so a Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to, okay. So here it is in all of its glory. Wow, it feels so good. And it is one continuous piece of material that goes from this side all the way to the back. So let's see that monogram. So for the monogram, I actually just had it, I guess like flesh color or tone color, whatever it's called. So you can't see it, but it is in there. But I think if I was to do it again, I would actually put a color and not just have it, you know, the same thing, because you really can't see it too much. It's supposed to say NKB for Nakia, Kelsey, and Bailey. but you know, it's not there. I mean, it's there, but you really can't see it. So that is a tip. If you ever get one of these, you want to personalize it and you want the hot stamp to be seen, you know, put a color instead of the same thing. Okay, so this is just, I guess, the little sticker. Now this says, okay, it says made in France. So some planners are made in like Paris, some are made in the United States, some are made in Spain. So this one is actually made in France. Okay, so this has the 2 secretary slots. It has this binder rings, which are very strong. Very strong. And I love the gold. The gold is really, really, really pretty. I'll move it up so you can see. And then it has these 2 little, I guess, screws in the middle, and it actually says Louis Vuitton. And then you have this other little pocket area here, and then you have this area here, and a pin loop. And then you have your Louis Vuitton button right here. So overall, I am very satisfied with this planner. I'm going to look at it some more and just make sure that it is perfect and there are no imperfections, because Louis Vuitton does pride themselves and they stay by their items. They guarantee everything to be perfect, and especially for the amount of money that you pay for them. But I just can't wait to, you know, fill this planner up with all of my inserts, and then also, you know, make all my IG posts. I see all the beautiful IG posts with different people in their planners, and I am so excited. So this is beautiful. We're going to go ahead and just sit it to the side, and then we're going to look at the other items that I have. Now, I'm in several different Louis Vuitton Facebook groups, and one of the things that I noticed, and a lot of people were getting different size planners, and I decided to get a PM planner. So you have the GM planner, which is this one, and I got a PM planner as well, and I'm going to use the PM planner as a wallet. So this one was pre-loved. I actually got this, I think, from was it Poshmark or whatever it's Poshmark. So this is a pre-loved planner. It is not new. So I was able to get this one, and I'm going to use this as a wallet slash what do you call that, passport holder and all of that kind of stuff. So this is going to be like my daily thing. And look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? It looks like, you know, a passport holder. So I'm really like this. Oh, and there's like a little note from the seller. Thank you for your purchase. I hope you will like this wallet. Oh, and it has a little ruler. I wasn't expecting a ruler. Okay, so I did hear that the rings for the PM are extremely small. So I am going to, if I need to, I will change out these rings. I've heard a lot of people talk about how they change out the rings. And then there's this little pin loop right here for a tiny, tiny pin. So this planner is actually going to be my wallet. And I will, you know, after everything comes in, I'll probably do a video and show you how I use this planner as a wallet. But I'll have like my credit cards, my driver's license in here, and insurance card, maybe a few pictures, and then maybe like a month at a glance or something, just so I can see, you know, what's going on. Because there's going to be times where I'm not going to carry the big PM or the big GM, but I may just carry little things on the PM. So I went from having no Louis Vuitton planners to having 2 in a matter of days. So we'll go ahead and just get that to the side. Now for the fun stuff. I kind of set everything on the bottom. So in my shop, my Etsy shop, I used to carry some Carpe Diem planner supplies. So I went back to my old stock to see what all I had. And I think I'm actually going to go ahead and start back, you know, restocking my Etsy shop with some additional things. Because, you know, everyone knows I love Erin Condren, but there's something about a ring binder planner that I love, so that's what I'm gonna start working on and move forward to. So this is just some stickers that I had in my shop, some of the traditional girl boss stickers. I just really love these, so I will be using these in my planner. And I think there's still, you can probably still get some of these Carpe Diem items on Etsy and also on Amazon and maybe other people's shops. But these are some clips that I'll be using as well. This is A5 to-do insert. These, I can use these on like my dashboard. These are just like little letters. These were some leftover carpe diem stickers, some paper, 2 packs of basic dividers. And then this section right here was the home section. And I really love this section, but I never had a chance to use it. So I think I had opened it up for an unboxing or something before when I did the carpe diem, and I just put a paper clip on it, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and use it. So this is actually from me, from my old shop. So now let's go to the things that I have been purchasing that I'm going to use to make this planner perfect for me. Now I will list the shops that I've got these items from. Now this first one, it says planner clips by design, but I know it was an Etsy shop. I just don't know exactly which one, but I will list it. So these were some clips that I thought were beautiful when I saw them. Look at this gorgeous, let's see if it kind of zooms in. Well, you can't really see too well, but it's a gorgeous Louis Vuitton coffee cup. Look like a Starbucks cup and has LV on it. This is a diamond, and then this says Planner Girl. So I will be using these in my planner. Thank you very much, Planner Clips by Design. If I recall, this lady was in Fort Worth, which is not that far from me, so I was really happy to be able to get that item fast. Okay, so this next one comes from Coco Mini Plans. Now, she was actually a fast shipper. I think she was like a small Etsy shop, and she was like really fast. And let's see. This is my social media inserts because I'm really trying to be more, what's the word? Intentional with my social media. This past few months, I've been doing, well, I think I've been doing really good with posting on YouTube and my blog. So I'm hoping these inserts will help me. So it's a social media planner. They're not lined for the year. So let me see. So it just has social media planner, month, year. Okay, and then I guess what you can do is each block could represent a certain thing. So maybe you can do like YouTube, blog, Instagram, you know, whatever. So this was definitely going to go into the social media section of my planner. I like it, and I only needed a couple because you only need, you know, one set per, I guess, year. Okay, so this is good. Let me just go ahead and put this back and sit this in here. So this came from Coco Mini Plans. Thank you very much. All right, this one is from the Clever Planner. Oh, now I haven't seen any of this stuff, but what I did was put the stickies over my address, and then I opened it so I wouldn't have to go through that whole opening process. So this, I remember I really was gonna love this one because it had like the planner, boss babe, and it's a dashboard. So look at this. This is a gorgeous. I don't know if there's like a glare, but there's this ultimate planner chick, you know, the ultimate boss babe. There's an Eiffel Tower behind her, a hot air balloon, and there's my name, Nikia. So this is gonna be a dashboard. And I really like this one. It says create your own happiness. Has my name and my little hills and, you know, my computer and all that kind of stuff. This actually looks like me. I'm just kidding. So what is this? I didn't order this. I guess this is a little freebie. I'll just put this in my planner. It's really cute. It's just like a little cup. But anyway, this is gorgeous. Thank you very much, Clever Planner. Okay. So let's see, this one came from Amazon, and I will link. Okay, so this is just the white ruled note paper for the mini planner, which is going to be my wallet. So that's that. Oops. Let's see what this is. This is from Capel, Texas. So this must be Falifax. Now this is Falifax. So this is for my GM. So this is just my to-do insert. There's, I don't know how many in here, but there's, you know, for my to-dos. Okay, and then this is my zippered envelope, so I'm happy about that. And then this is my business card holder. So that's all from Falfax. Okay, and this one, oh, I recognize that check. This is another Amazon item. This is for my, it actually looks kind of big. It says credit card holder, holds 3 cards. This is supposed to be, okay, this is too big. This is personal size, but I don't think this is gonna fit. So I need to send that back because yeah, that's too big for my PM. I guess that's like for the medium size. So that will be going back. Unfortunately, I was wanting that for my PM, but that's not going to work. All right, and let's see, what do we have here? This is from Etsy, and this is, oh yes! So this is my, I guess it's a divider bookmark. And I love the colors, and I love the little anchor. You know, I was in the Navy, so this really means a lot to me. She's like the little Navy boss babe chick. And then, I don't know what, I guess I'll just put a paper clip on this and make this a paper clip. And these are just some little stickers that she just threw in there as a gift. And then these are some dividers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dividers? Let me see. Oh, the first one is like just plain. Yeah, the first one is plain. So then there's 6 that are tabbed, and then just 1 that can be just like an insert. Well, that is it. I know you're wondering, like, where is your calendar part? Where is your goals? Where's your finance stuff? Well, all of that stuff I actually ordered, and I'm waiting on it, but I've had my planners for 2 or 3 days, and they've been like just boxed up, just sitting there, and I haven't seen them. And I'm like, look, when that other stuff gets here, then I'll go ahead and just get the video or get the planner worked out, put all the papers in it, and then make it ready for me. But until then, this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very exciting. I wish I had all of my things. You know, I'd ordered some stuff from Cloth and Paper, from some other Etsy sellers, but it's not here yet. So we'll just wait on that stuff. But until then, I'll go ahead and get started putting the stuff in my planner and get ready to start using things. Well, anyway, thank you very much for tuning into this video. I hope you like this video. I'm happy that you stuck through to the end of this video and don't think I'm crazy for these luxury designer planners, because I am just so in love with them already. So anywho, thank you very much. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, and have a wonderful day.